Hi everyone, Vanessa here. Um, Today I'm here with today's prayer, and today's prayer is speak peace and pursue it. Psalms 34:14. So we in Psalms chapter 34, verse 14. It says, "Turn away from all evil and do good. Search for peace, and work to maintain it." So, seek peace and pursue it. It explains it all right here. Turn away evil and do good. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Also, I will say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Also, bless everyone, Lord. So I'm sending my love and prayers to you all. And thank you all for watching. Please be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you tomorrow for another today's prayer. Bye-bye for now. Hi everyone, Vanessa here. Today I'm here with today's prayer. And today's prayer is speak peace and pursue it. Psalms 34:14. So we in Psalms chapter 34, verse 14. It says, "Turn away from all evil and do good. Search for peace, and work to maintain it." So, seek peace and pursue it. It explains it all right here. Turn away evil and do good. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Also, I will say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Also, bless everyone, Lord. So I'm sending my love and prayers to you all. And thank you all for watching. Please be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you tomorrow for another today's prayer. Bye-bye for now.